Well, the party on D Street clearly continued for a second consecutive day. The markets continued to celebrate Budget 2021, which was pro-growth, which was absolutely transparent. And this is what the markets wanted to hear from the government in terms of a messaging. And, we were not alone. Even if you look at the FII figure yesterday, that's been a buy figure to the tune of about 1,500 crore rupees, while the DIs continued to sell in the market. So look what happened today. We managed to have a fab finish, 14,700 plus levels. 50,000 was taken intraday on the Nifty, on the Sensex, I beg your pardon, as well, which was, remember, the 21st January top, post which you saw that 6-day correction pan out for the equity markets. So managed to gain 2.5% for the Nifty in today's trading session. And that said, we managed to rally 7% in the last two trading sessions. The Nifty Bank, which made a lifetime high for itself, gained another 3% in today's trading session as well. And that's been a rally of 11% that you've seen in the last two trading days. Similar was the state for the strength of the broader markets as well. The small and mid-cap performance, that held out very smartly today as well, although they underperformed the benchmark indexes by a bit of a slim margin. You had TVS Motors, that held out very, very smartly in today's trading session. You had Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors. Autos was clearly once again in the driving seat, as has been the case pre-budget as well. Adding to the renewed optimism was only the monthly sales data for January, which continued to hold out, and that added a further momentum to some of these auto names. Also, you had all sectoral indexes except the Nifty FMCG index, which managed to gain. Nifty PSU Bank, Financial Services, Real Estate, all these three indexes managed to gain over 10% each in the last two trading sessions. Aside of autos, which was really driving the market mood today, was also the cement pack. So Shree Cement, Ultratech Cement, these were all stocks which held up very smartly. HDFC came out with a blowout set of numbers during market hours, so that is something that the street also reacted to. Aside of that, you had a couple of other movers in a Z, which held out very, very smartly once again in today's trading session. You also had a Ramco Cement hold out very well. Escorts was another very smart mover in today's trading session. Having said that, the market did have its set of losers as well. But before that, I also want to mark what Reliance Industries was up to, because although it started off its day underperforming the rest of the market and then played catch up, finally closing in the green by about 2.5% and well above the 1,900 rupees per share price point. Now to the losers. There was SAIL, there was ICICI Pru, there was HDFC Life, Bajaj Finserv. But remember, some of these names were actually big movers in yesterday's trading session and have already been sitting at their 52-week highs. So one could safely ignore what they did in today's trading session. So Bajaj Finserv, for instance, was a little bit in the red, and Tata Consumer lost about 1.5%, but that one can safely ignore. What the budget has done clearly has been a re-rating moment for the markets and a re-rating moment as well.